Lyset som kom kunne ingen vinter slukke. I den frosne natten glitret jordens fred. I en stall så stille og enkel. Ingen rikdom, ingen glans. Bare morens nærhet og et lys som tiner et hjerte.
In the bleak midwinter, icy wind made moan. Earth stood hard as iron, water like a stone. Snow on snow had fallen, snow on snow on snow. In the bleak midwinter, long time ago, angels and archangels may have gathered there, cherubim and seraphim rising in the air. Oh, but only Mary in her maiden bliss worshipped the beloved with the mother's kiss. What then can I give him, empty as I am? If I were a shepherd, I would bring a lamb. If I were a wise man, I would play my part. What then can I give him? Give him